It is about 9 o'clock. Got myself set up with a little campsite here at Whetstone Golf State Park in the Adirondacks in New York. Didn't really get into any rain other than a few sprinkles. So a couple miles of wet roads here and there. I asked the local park ranger where the best place for breakfast was. He sent me here to this place. It did not disappoint. Another day of riding in the books. We did somewhere around a little over 300 miles again today and rode out all the way through the Adirondack Mountains out to High Falls Gorge. I'm gonna get camp set up here, grab a shower, and I'll catch y'all later. I met a local couple that camps at the site I stayed at occasionally, and I asked them where to go for breakfast. They sent me to Crazy Otto's Empire, which is a restaurant themed out of the 50s, and did not disappoint with the quality of food. Although I've been on numerous moto camping trips, this one is the first solo trip I've done, and I must say it was very rewarding venturing out on my own, completing the entire trip on my own successfully, which now gives me confidence for future solo trips. Traveling with friends is much more enjoyable, but sometimes it's nice to go out at your own pace, soak in the views, and just take time to self-reflect. I hope you enjoyed riding along on this trip. If you did, please consider subscribing and let me know in the comments where your favorite place to visit is, and maybe a place you think I should go. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.